Today we're combining the beauty of painting and embroidery to create a stunning floral card. First, let's sketch out our floral design. I'm drawing 3 simple flowers with leaves using a pencil so I can easily erase any mistakes later. Don't worry about being perfect here. It's all about having fun and letting your creativity flow. Now let's add some color. I'm using acrylic paints to create a vibrant background for our flowers. I'm going with a sky blue for the top part of the card and a fresh green for the leaves. It's surprisingly easy to make, even if you're a beginner to both painting and embroidery. You can choose any colors you like, of course. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Embrace those brush strokes and let your artistic spirit shine. If you're new to painting, try practicing on a scrap piece of paper first to get comfortable with the acrylic paints. You can also use watercolors or colored pencils if you prefer. Once the paint is dry, we're ready to add some embroidery magic. I'm using my needle to poke holes along the outlines of the flowers. These holes will guide our stitches and help us create neat and even petals. I have chosen a vibrant purple floss that will pop against the painted background. I've threaded my needle with 3 strands of the purple embroidery floss. Now, following the holes I created, I'm going to stitch each petal using a simple straight stitch. I'm adding 6 petals to each flower, but you can adjust the number of petals to create different flower shapes. To add some detail to the center of the flowers, I'm stitching French knots using dark green and dark yellow floss. Wrap the thread around your needle twice, bring the needle down close to where it came up, and pull the thread through slowly. These little knots create the perfect stamens for our flowers and add a touch of contrast. And there you have it, a beautiful hand-stitched and painted floral card. To make it extra special, I'm framing it in this simple white frame. This card is perfect for any occasion, birthdays, thank yous, or just to show someone you care. It's a handmade gift that's sure to brighten their day. And the best part, you can customize it with your own unique designs and color combinations. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to CraftiWorks for more crafty inspiration. Happy crafting!